Hey everybody, I'm Danny DeVries with Edge Products. A few years ago, Edge introduced the Stage 1 kit for diesel trucks. Well, because it's been so popular, we decided to release one for the gas applications.
The Stage 1 kit from Edge for gas application vehicles comes with a jammer cold air intake and the Evolution CTS2. The Evolution CTS2 features performance tuning for mileage, towing, daily driving, and performance. This device allows for custom tuning for shift points, shift firmness, torque management, fuel pressure, and more. The jammer cold air intake works seamlessly with the Evolution CTS2. The cool thing about this is it takes warm air, turns it to cool, dense air, optimizing your performance. When purchased together, the components of the Stage 1 kit from Edge not only increases your performance and tuning, it also saves you money. To find out which Stage 1 kit from Edge is right for you and your gas vehicle, go to edgeproducts.com.